Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving example 5, and the question says solve 4 minus 3x equal 2x minus what? 11. So what's the first thing to do? First of all, you notice that 4 and 3x are not like terms. Similarly, 2x and minus 11 are not like terms. So the first step is to what? Rearrange what? The what? Equation. So if you want to rearrange the equation, you either take 4 here and take 2x here, or you bring what? 11 here and take what? Minus 3x here. So we'll do one of the above. All right, let's start. So if we rewrite this equation, we'll have what? 4. If you're taking minus 11 to the left hand side, it will become what? The sign will change to become what? Positive. So we'll have that minus 11 will become what? Plus what? 11 equal to what? That is equal to 2x. Then if we take minus 3x to this other side, the sign will change to become what? Positive 3 what? X. So now if we check, these two are like terms and these two are like terms. So what do? You add them. 4 plus 11 will give us what? 15. And 2x plus 3x will give us what? 5 what? X. Now we want to make x here the subject of the formula. How do we do that? We do that by simply dividing both sides by what? The coefficient of x, which is 5, right? So if we divide 15 by 5 here, and we divide here 2 by 5, we'll have that 5 here will cancel 5 to get 1, and 15 here, 5 into 15 will give you 3, 5 into 15 will give you 1. So we'll have that what? X is left here, right? So we'll have x is equals to what? 3 as our what? Final answer. Very simple. So let's move to the next question. Still on revision of what? Simple equations. The question says solve 4 into what? 2a minus 3. So this 4 is multiplying everything inside this bracket. Minus 2a times everything inside this bracket, that's a minus 4, equals to what? 3 times what? Everything inside the bracket, a minus 3 minus 1. So remember from our last video, we talked about board mass, right? In our last video, we talked about what? Board mass. So this board mass helps us to know what to attack first while solving this kind of problem. So from our knowledge of board mass, if we apply it to simple equations, we'll have that we have to open up the bracket first, because here is bracket first before division, multiplication, addition, and what? Subtraction. So if we want to take off the bracket, 4 will multiply 2a to get what? 8a. This same 4 will multiply what? Minus 3. You know 4 has a positive sign here, right? So plus 4 plus times minus will get what? Minus. 4 times 3 will get what? 12, right? Next up, this sign is together with 2. Minus 2 times a. Minus times plus. There's a plus here, an invisible plus. Minus 2 times a. Minus times plus will give us what? Minus. 2 times a will give us what? 2a. And 2 times 4 minus times minus will give us what? Plus. And 2 times 8 will give us 2 times 4 will give us what? 8, right? Next up, we'll move over to this other side of the bracket of the equation, the right hand side, equals 3 times everything inside the bracket. So 3 times a will give us 3a. Similarly, 3 times minus 3, there's a positive 3 here, So plus times minus will give us what? Minus. And 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we'll bring down our what? Minus 1. So we successfully what? Opened the equation. We have successfully simplified the equation and opened the bracket. So next we what? Take what? Like terms. All the values with a, you move them to one side, and all the values without a, you move them to this other side. So 8a is here, minus 2a is here, 3a is here. You move them to one side. Let's say we keep them on the left hand side, and these other values, minus 12 plus 8 minus 9 and minus 1, move them to the what? To the right hand side. So let's do that. So 8a will be here, minus 2a, 3a. If you move 3a to this side, remember the sign will change to become negative, so it will be minus what? 3a equal, here we have minus 9, we also have minus 1. If we bring minus 12 to this other side, the sign will change, right? It becomes what? Plus what? 12. And finally, if you bring plus 8 to this other side, it becomes what? Minus 8. So we have simply what? Collected like what? Terms. So now 8 minus 2 will give us what? 8a minus 2, 8a minus 2a will give us what? 6a, right? And 6a minus 3a will give us 3a. So we'll write 3a here equal what? Minus 9 minus 1. You're owing naira and you borrow extra 1 naira to become what? Minus 10, right? Then now you now have 12 naira to clear your debt. If you clear your debt, that's minus 10 plus 12. You'll be left with what? 2 naira, right? Then you go again and you borrow another 8 naira and you have 2 naira to pay back. So you'll be owing what? 6 naira. So it will be negative. So it will be minus 6. So we have that 3a is equal to what? Minus 6. So to make a the subject of the formula, you divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 3. So it will be divided by 3 here, and here will be what? Divided by what? 3. 3 into here will give us 1. 3 into here will give us 1. So a will stand alone. So we have what? A is equals to what? Minus 6 over what? 3. You can further break it down. 3 can go here to get what? 2. 3 can go here to get 1. So we have that what? A is equal to what? Minus 2 as our what? Final answer. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification button so you can get update on any video we upload, and refer it to your friend that's struggling in maths so they can start doing very well. These videos are free and are here to help you. If you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section below and I'll guide you on how to solve it. See you in our next video. Thank you.